Good morning. And so we have got there. We have reached what is the final day of this half term, because of course tomorrow, planning preparation day, so we are not officially open. However, of course, we are open to pupils of key workers who may of course come in tomorrow, and indeed on Bank Holiday Monday next week we are also open for Holiday Club to pupils of key workers, and indeed throughout next week, it's being half term. And as we reach this point, the final day of the first half of term, I just want to say thank you. First and foremost, and I'm sure that you will all share in this, I want to thank the teaching staff, the support staff, the EYFS staff who have been here every single day working with the children, working with the remote provision to make sure that key workers can continue to work on the front line as we continue in our battle against COVID-19, which at long last does look like it is going our way. We haven't had, as you will have guessed, a full team coming in every day, but those who have been here with us have worked tirelessly for the benefit principally of the children, but also for a wider effort. So I want to pass on a sincere thanks to my colleagues. And of course it is worth noting that of the colleagues who aren't currently here in school, they would want to be here, and that is the nature of West House. I then want to thank you, parents. This hasn't been particularly easy, has it? Your children aren't always straightforward, are they? It is a tough ask to be involved in home educating. We of course have done the very best that we possibly can in providing remote learning, but we also recognise that it is you who has to sit with your son or indeed daughter and have to help us to be able to do our job successfully, and that is not lost on us, and we are most grateful indeed. And I would also like to thank the children, the pupils of this absolutely magnificent school, who have adapted to a different way of doing things. And I can speak for those that I teach in saying that by and large they have adapted incredibly well, and that their education, certainly speaking as a Year 5 English teacher, has actually been delivered and carried out to the very high standard that we have come to expect. So to all you children or pupils of the school out there, well done. And of course, thank you. Things after half term might well change. We will not be having a break here ourselves. We have now got to work on the plan to make sure that it is ready to deliver, whether it be on the first Monday back or whether it be a little later on during the half of term. But ultimately a plan will have to be delivered, and I'll of course be keeping the whole school community up to date with developments, and as ever I ask that you keep safe, and I look forward to seeing you all in the not too distant future.